So here we have the bottom of the diesel fuel filter. I have changed the gasket already. We're gonna pop the filter out. All right, there we go. We got the new filter, new gasket in. We're gonna go ahead and just make sure it's all seated all in there good. I've already washed it down, take some brake cleaner. I like to do this. Just give it a nice little wash, nice clean. You get all that old diesel out there. Set the new filter. Everything's all good. You come and do everything in reverse. I like to hand tighten everything before I use my guns so that I don't cross thread any bolts into this housing. After I get about 3 bolts in, I'll grab my gun and I just toss it just right there, and then I'll grab my ratchet afterwards. Grab my little ratchet. So you need a bigger ratchet than that. And that's gonna be all for here. And if you think that you might need your diesel fuel filter changed, come and see us at Legacy Ford.